Are you looking for the best cheap drones? In this video, we will look at some of the best cheap drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HolyStone HS440D 4K GPS Drone. HS440D 4K drone is equipped with a 120 degrees FOV lens and 90 degrees adjustable lens that provide a perfect 3840 by 2160 resolution picture. 5 GHz FPV transmission delivery a smooth and stable videos even in high-speed or windy conditions. Enjoy carefree flights with GPS auto return. If the drone loses signal, goes out of range, or has low power, it smartly returns home on its own. Also includes Follow Me, Waypoint Fly, and Point of Interest to ensure a great flight experience. This GPS drone comes with a carrying case. The foldable design makes it easy to store and incredibly portable for outdoor journeys. And weighing under 250 g, you're free from FAA registration. Whether you prefer preset flight paths or carve your own route, the HS440D drone effortlessly follows your lead. Features like one-key takeoff/landing and emergency stop make sure your first 19-minute flight time is a reassuring and exhilarating journey. 2-speed switch, headless mode, altitude hold, and low battery warning. All these features, combined with exceptional quality, make it suitable not only for beginners but also for skilled players. Number 2. TD12 Pro 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV Drone. Capture stunning aerial footage with this drone with camera, featuring a 1080p HD camera and 90 degrees electric adjustment for optimal shooting angles. Perfect for both amateur and professional photography enthusiasts, this is one of the ideal drones with camera for adults. Equipped with 4 high-performance brushless motors, this drone ensures smooth and stable flight even in breezy conditions, supported by level 3 wind resistance for enhanced durability. Ideal for drones for adults who seek reliability and performance. Master flight effortlessly with 3-speed adjustment, low/medium/high, altitude hold, one-key takeoff/landing, and headless mode. These intuitive features are tailored for drones with camera for adults, allowing beginners to focus on capturing stunning footage without complexity. Achieve precise hovering and smooth control with advanced optical flow positioning, ensuring stability even for beginner-friendly drones. It can also be used as a second camera to provide diverse shooting angles. This feature enhances safety and ease of use. Designed for convenience, this foldable drone features a compact structure, making it easy to carry and store. Perfect for travel and outdoor adventures, it's a great choice among drones with camera for adults. Number 3. HolyStone HS720 GPS Drone. The optimized full HD camera built with shock absorption holder ensures shooting 3840 by 2160 high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. 5 GHz FPV transmission and 90-degree adjustable lens enable you to see the world from different angles. Never lose the drone. It returns automatically whenever battery is low, signal is lost, or you press one key return. Also, it is so smart to fly at your will, following you automatically, flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles. You may focus on your photography and creation. The 2 intelligent batteries works for 26 minutes per battery for each charge, 52 minutes in total with 2 batteries. The long-life brushless motors have lower power consumption and give you a quieter flight. The foldable design and well-fitted carrying case make it easy to take the drone outdoor. Don't use batteries from other brands, which may cause product issue or safety concern. Product support available. Equipped multi-sensors guarantee hovering with great stability and high-quality pics taken under different flying environment. Optical flow positioning makes great effect when GPS signal is lost or weak. Functions like one-key start/stop, emergency stop, altitude hold, and electric fence keep it simple to control for even beginners. Number 4. Idea16 Drone with Camera. Idea16 Drone app achieves a 200 m image transmission distance and control distance. You can imagine flying at an altitude of 120 m and a distance of 200 m. Equipped with a 120 degrees FOV 4K camera for higher resolution photos and recording more details. In addition, the camera can be rotated between 0 to 90 degrees, vertical, via the app or the remote control, which means your multi-angle flights will be even more fun. Enjoy even more interesting views from the air. Idea 16 drones with camera for adults 4K equipped with advanced signal transmission technology and excellent anti-interference ability. The flying height of Idea 16 can be up to 120 m, and the image transmission distance can be up to 200 m. It can fly higher and fly farther, allowing you to see different scenery. Idea 16 drone with camera for adults 4K is equipped with a larger size and a bigger propeller. T ensures a stable flying attitude even when flying high and far. The body of the drone is finished in a rubberized lacquer for a delicate feel. The high-end packaging and elegant design of the Idea 16 make it a great choice for gift-giving. The package comes with a premium and practical carry bag, providing storage protection and convenience for the drone. Idea 16 drone with camera for adults 4K. We have 2 cameras. More lenses than any other drone. The built-in optical flow positioning sensor allows your drone to hover accurately both indoors and outdoors, freeing up your hands and making it easier for you to control this drone and for beginners to quickly master the skills to become expert flyers. Number 5. S116 MAX Drone. S116 MAX Brushless Optical Flow Remote Control Drone Dual Camera 1 Battery ESC Camera, Headless Mode, 360 degrees Intelligent Infrared Obstacle Avoidance, Trajectory Flight, Wi-Fi FPV, Phone App Control. Brushless Motor Strong Powerful, Infrared 4-Sided Obstacle Avoidance, Optical Flow, ESC HD Camera, Forward, Backward, Left Turn, Right Turn, Up, Down, Side Fly, 1-Key Takeoff, 1-Key Landing, Headless Dot Mode, Speed Adjustable, Wi-Fi Transmission, 50x Zoom, Gesture Photography, Gesture MV Shooting, Motion Sensor, Track Flight. 1x Drone, 1x Remote Controller, 1x Body Battery, 1x USB Cable, 1x Screwdriver, 2x Instructions, 4x Blades.